Okay, let's go. Let's go. Run.
Let's go. The fish that came out.
Yeah. Get some energy out. Oh, did you hear the water?
That doesn't help.
Mommy, look at the fish that came out to eat.
Zane, slow it down, buddy.
Come here, Zane.
Slow it down.
It's okay. He's running.
Yeah.
Where's the fish?
Okay.
He's gone.
Who's gone?
Give me.
Good.
Okay, come throw your bread.
Take some. And throw it.
Throw it. Throw it.
They'll find it.
Hey, throw.
She wants them to come.
Okay, good.
She wants them to come.
They'll come.
They'll come.
She's frozen.
Okay.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, throw your bread. Zane, come throw your bread. Come throw your bread. Oh, look, they have greenhouses there.
They can't get through right now. The fishes are underneath.
Come on, Zane.
Mom, let's go see the park.
No, it's closed, Zane. It's covered in snow.
It's covered in snow.
Yeah.
It's covered everything.
She's being dainty.
Zane, you're wearing running shoes. Zane, you're wearing your running shoes. You don't have boots on.
I just want to see no fishes out.
Zane, come on.
Mom, I don't sit down here. I don't sit down.
Come on.
Look.
Come on, Zane.
They'll sniff it.
Come throw the bread.
Yeah.
Come throw the bread.
It's frozen.
Zane,
Olivia, you're styling.
please.
Olivia has to wear a skirt. Okay, throw the rest of the bread and we'll go get something to eat. Ah! No. No.
Run away.
You know what? They may find it easier here.
So throw it.
Whee! No.
Come on, Olivia. Zane.
The birdies will be able to see it.